As a first step, we are going to start creating the different small elements involved in this creation. Have cut out 4 3.5 and 3 cm circle on a foam sheet. Have kept the iron box on a medium setting and heating up the smallest circle. This would shrink and give us 3D effect. Using these two circles, creating a sun and a star. Adding some more smaller details. Next, creating some clouds. Drawing and cutting out some bushes. These represents rocks, and again shrinking all of them in a medium setting on an iron box. Creating two cute little birds. Now let's add some fish. Adding some details using a sharp tip which would represent the feathers. Creating an elephant. If you want this template, drop me an email at gadacdiy@gmail.com. In order to create a 3D effect, I have created the top shawl and the ears separately. Adding the ornaments, eyes, and also the toe, nails, everything using a sharp tip. These will be visible when we do the painting. Now creating a coconut tree. We are creating these different elements to create a fine and intricate final artwork. Using these foam balls, creating the coconuts. adding more detailed artwork to the coconut tree. Using thin foam sheet, going to create different background layers. This particular layer represents a rocky terrain. And box is at medium temperature. Adding some intricate patterns and grooves. Drawing another layer, this would represent a river bank. In this layer, I am trying to represent a windy weather. Again, the iron box is in medium setting. This would represent the water inside the river. This is another representation of a heavy wind. These are pure and abstract imagination of different elements in the nature. You can also try out your own imagination in creating these elements. This triangle will represent a mountain. To avoid over shrinkage, don't use very high temperature. Adding more intricate details to these different elements. For the bottom structure, going to use a thicker foam sheet. The total dimension of this entire base is 18 into 36 centimeters. I've used multiple colors to highlight the various details in this creation. I've shared the color combination in this video and the product details in the description below. Once painted, you can notice the small intricate details which you have added previously. If you are a regular visitor to our channel, I'd really like to thank your support. Also, if this is the first time you're visiting our channel, do consider subscribing so that you'll get notified of our every week upload. I've blended different colors for this base frame. Starting with black, I've also added green, red and also gold. For the base frame, I've cut out 45 into 24 cm of cardboard, adding multiple layers to make it thick, and pasting a black chart paper. Using a card will help in spreading the glue easily. Got this hanger from a hardware shop. These are available even in the photo frame shops. You can also use industrial glue to stick this on the frame. I got this beautiful template from Amazon. Link is in the description. In order to easily paint, I'm adding paper tape on all the four sides of the template. I've used gold acrylic paint and a sponge brush to paint this. Adding the layers and the elements onto the base frame. If you're interested in creating similar 3D and embossed wall art ideas, there are many in our channel. Go check them out. In this wall art, I try to represent a scenic tropical landscape with different life forms thriving on a sunny and windy day. Finally, pasting this on the base frame. It's done! Can you believe we have created this 3D embossed wall art without using any clay? I've hung this on my hallway. Let me know if you like this idea. Do share this video with your family and friends. It will really help us to reach more people like you. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let's create a crafty world together.